Welcome to Holiday Countdown, where I share recipes na pwede mong ihanda this coming holidays. For today's recipe, gagawa tayo ng pork chop ala king. First, for the pork chop breading, combine all-purpose flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper to taste. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng breading mix if yun yung mas prefer nyo. Then, haluin lang to combine. Make sure na naseason nyo na yung pork chop ng salt bago i-coat sa flour mixture. Yung pork chop pala na ginamit ko dito is wala na siyang balat. Then, nilagyan ko lang ng mga slit on each side para mas maluto siya evenly. Pan-fry lang natin to for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, then set aside. Sa separate pan, naglagay lang ako ng cooking oil and butter. Kapag nagmelt na yung butter, pwede na natin ilagay yung all-purpose flour. Lutuin lang natin to for a few minutes, then gradually add evaporated milk or fresh milk. Make sure na continuous ang paghahalo para hindi siya mamuo. Mag-a-add din tayo dito ng water, chicken cube, and minced carrot. Haluin lang hanggang sa maging well combined, then simmer for a few minutes. Then serve and enjoy! If you like this recipe, don't forget to follow for more dahil gagawa pa tayo ng more holiday recipes.